Okay, guys, so pretty much now that you know, not everything, but you know pretty much what we're looking for when it comes to the sense of, trend lines, support resistance, the Fibonacci's, the channels, all that. There's one more thing, and this is going to be the most important thing of all. And I mean of all, so pay attention to this section, okay? You're going to go to indicators, and you're going to search up on balance volume, okay? On balance volume. Boom. On balance volume. Now, what is on balance volume showing? This is going to be exactly how we spot our divergences. And you guys know me, you know my YouTube channel, you know that I'm all about divergence, okay? So what is divergence? Divergence is pretty much a sign of either market reversal or market continuation. I'm going to show you an example of every single type. That way you can study, pay attention, and look for these throughout the market, okay? So, right here, we see a sign of, this is actually called bearish divergence. When you see bearish divergence, you believe the market is going to come down, okay? As you can see, if you were to draw from this, let's just say these points right here to this point, right? You have a higher high being made here. But we're going to take a look at our on balance volume and see what we see. And I'm going to make this black so it's a little easier to see for you guys. Boom. But if you were to take this on balance volume and draw that same trend from the same spot, look at that. Look at that. It's doing the opposite, right? This is bearish divergence. This is a sign that this trend is getting weak. This uptrend is now getting weak. Look at that. Look what happened after we saw that bearish divergence. Oh my god, a 250 fucking pip drop. Just ridiculous. That's just ridiculous. So simple. This right here, take a picture of it right now. Screenshot this. This is bearish divergence. This is a sign that the trend is getting weak and it's going to go to the downside. Okay? When you're looking at bearish regular divergences, you draw them from the top. Okay? As you can see, from the top and from the top. What do I mean by the top? I mean the top of the chart, not down here, okay? This would be the bottom, and you're going to need to know about the bottom soon. This is the bottom. No, you draw from up here, the tops, okay? That's bearish, regular divergence, okay? Now, let's look for some bullish divergence, and oh my god, I already see some. Check me out right here. From here to here, what do we have? We have a lower low, and now we're looking for bullish divergence, regular bullish divergence. We're going to draw it from the bottoms, okay? Look at that. Lower low being made, but higher low being made here. This is a sign of market, reversal here, but to the upside now because we're looking at bullish divergence, regular bullish divergence, that is, okay? Lower low, but a higher low on the OBV. Now we draw it from the bottoms when we're looking for regular, okay? And look at this. Market spiked up 123 pips. Guys, this is not rocket science. It's very, very simple. We add this now that we see a trend line, whatever it is, you got two confirmations. It's beautiful, okay? Now, let me show you guys something very, very powerful, but very, very important, okay? You guys need to pay close attention and take your screenshots because this is very important, okay? When looking at a trend, okay, let's see if I can find something. Would this be some? No. Bear with me. All right, guys, I'm back. I found some beautiful, okay, this is going to be called bullish hidden divergence. Now that we're looking at an uptrend, instead of marking the tops, now we mark the bottoms on the uptrend, okay? So look at this. Market is making higher lows here on this uptrend, as you can see. Trend is going upwards from this point. Let's take a look at what we see on the OBV. Look at the OBV. OBV is making lower lows. So now we have opposites happening from the bottom on an uptrend. That is bullish hidden divergence. And what does that mean? That means market or trend continuation, right? So the market's going to continue moving in this trend. And what did it do? It sure the fuck did. Boom. I mean, I don't want to measure the whole thing, but I mean, holy shit. Hundreds and hundreds of pips up. Just beautiful. It's just beautiful, okay? Look at this. Now, let's go look for some bearish hidden divergences. And remember, now you're going to draw it from the tops on a downtrend instead. Okay, so let's go see if we can find some. I'll come back to you guys in a sec. All right, guys, so let's look at some hidden bearish divergence. Okay, we see the market is trending to the downside. Okay, from here to here, whatever, the market's trending down. But look at this. OBV is showing lower highs. From this point to this point, we have lower highs being made. But look at the OBV. Oh my goodness, we have a higher high. Market from the tops, guys, because this is a downtrend and we're looking for bearish hidden, not regular, but hidden. Market from the top. And something that I always do to remember this is look, when you're looking at the tops, obviously, because it's bearish hidden, you can also see it kind of made the shape of a squeeze, right? So look, it made this shape right here. And then from here, it went up, okay? Oops. From here, it went up. It's the shape of a squeeze, and when things get squeezed, they come down like that, okay? That just looks fucking terribly wrong. I'm so fucking sorry, guys. But that's just how I look at it, okay? When you do it from the uptrends, though, like let's say it was right here, it looks more like an opening, okay? When things get open like this, they go up, okay? That's just how we're going to word it from now on. It's going to help you guys out, okay? I have to sneeze, so if I sneeze, I'm sorry. I don't know why I'm so allergic today. But bearish hidden divergence spotted here. Oh my God. And what do we have after that? Market continuation to the downside, 277 plus pips. Guys, it's not rocket science. It's very simple.